हाय फ्रेंड्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स। क्या हाल चाल। उम्मीद करें सब बढ़िया, सब अच्छा चल रहा है सबका। तो दिस इज आवर न्यू स्टोरी रिगार्डिंग सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट प्लेलिस्ट. सो देयर आर basically 3 or 4 steps. First of all, read the question, try to draw all the conditions, and then after understanding all the scenarios or all the cases, you need to answer the different questions regarding this story. Okay, these are the basic steps to solve these type of questions. Okay, so first of all, read the questions. 8 cars are there, C1 to C8 are parked in two parallel rows, namely row 1, row 2, facing towards north, such that the car standing in the row 2 faces the backside of the car standing in front of row 1. Means row 1, row 2 both are in north directions. So row 1's cars backside will be in the front of row 2 cars. Okay, equal number of cars means 4 by 4. C3 is okay. So this is suppose row 1, this is suppose row 2. Okay, 4 positions are there, and there are also 4 positions. Clear? Now it is mentioned that C3 stands second to the left of C4. So C4 is there, C3 will be second to the left of C4. Okay, so this is one possibility. It can be, it is not mentioned that it is in row 1. So I am assuming that there is another conditions, means this is another case where C3 is second to the left of C4. So this is done, this part done. Now which does not stand at any extreme end, means C4 is not in the extreme ends. That's why I have put a C4 here. Okay. Otherwise, there will be another possibility, like if C4 is in the extreme position, then C3 will be in these positions. Okay. So many cases can be there. If this is not mentioned, that this is not in any extreme end. This is a very vital point. Okay. Now C1 and C4 stands in different rows. C5 is third to the right of C2. So here it is not possible, or here it is not possible, where C3 and C4 is there. So if C5 is the third to the right of C2, so then C2 is here and C5 is here. For this case also C2 is here, C5 is here. Clear? This is also done. Now C8 does not stand at any of the extreme points. Now C7, which stands in row 2, is opposite to C1. Check this. C1 and C4 stand in different rows. And this is also mentioned C7, which stands in row 2. So if Pakka know that C7 is row 2, right? C1 and C4 are in different rows. Okay. And C7 is opposite to C1. So C7 is there, and C1 and C4 are opposite rows. Okay. So if this C7 will be in row 2, and this C1 should be then row 1, right? So C4 should be in row 2. So here you can see that C4 is in row 2. Here, this is in row 1. So this case totally cancelled, right? So now C1 and C4 stand in different rows. Okay. I'm putting C, and I can put here C1, but it is also mentioned that C7 is opposite to C1. So one position is there for C1 only, and here it is C7, right? Now C8 is mentioned that C8 does not stand at any of the extreme points. So extreme points is only available in row 2. So C8 should not be in the row 2. So C8 should be in the row 1. And another car is there, which is C6. So C6 will be here for the row 2. Okay. So this is the cases. Okay. I have drawn. this final picture. So if there will be other questions regarding this story, you can easily solve it. Okay, just see the conditions and draw the picture from all the conditions or all the inference. Okay, so keep practicing, keep watching, keep subscribing, and follow us, and share more and more. Okay, uh, it will be helpful for many students. So keep sharing, keep subscribing, and keep following, keep practicing. And if you have any queries, any questions, just comment down in the below comment section. Thanks.